Want to drop back into the Fortnite action on your iPhone or iPad, even though it's not on the App Store? Let's dive into some clever workarounds to get you gaming again. First up, Xbox Cloud Gaming. Head to xbox.com/play in your Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you don't have one. It's quick and free to create once you're logged in. Search for Fortnite. The awesome part: you don't even need an Xbox Game Pass subscription to play Fortnite through the cloud. Simply launch the game and get ready to rumble. Next, we have GeForce Now. Download the GeForce Now app from the App Store. Search for GeForce Now. Create an account. They offer free and paid tiers. Link your Epic Games account within the GeForce Now app. Search for Fortnite, click play, and you're back in the battle bus. Both Xbox Cloud Gaming and GeForce Now rely on a stable internet connection, so make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal for a smooth gaming experience. Play around with both and see which service works best for you. These are easy and effective ways to play Fortnite on your iOS device without it being directly on the App Store. Now get out there and claim that victory royale. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and tricks.